This video is brought to you by AnyCubic.
For those of you not familiar, we have done a ton of looks and prints on some of the other competitors out there. You can see one behind us. It's time to talk about probably one of the best sleeper options out there, and that's AnyCubic. AnyCubic has been around for a number of years now, and they have just come out with probably one of their best offerings, and that is the Cobra S1 and the Cobra S1 combo. If you want an AMS solution printer that is encased all in one, that really gets the job done and looks good doing it by taking up less room than some of the competitors who need that AMS solution on the side of the device. They're regularly on sale. They can print in 4 or 8 color printing styles. It is very seamless with 600 millimeters per second speed, and you can complete a benchy in as little as 15 minutes. They really are pushing the fact here that you can be bold and colorful with their assorted filaments and that AMS printer. Again, we've been using some AMS solutions in-house regularly, and we really love the extra offerings this provides. There's obviously a ton of different speed settings. You can have 10 times faster printing with 88 liters of printing volume, and it is very quick and seamless and easy to use in about 15 minutes from unboxing their product. Thanks again for sponsoring this video. So thanks to iOS 18 allowing more customization options for adaptive audio on the AirPod 4s with ANC and the AirPods Pro 2s, we have now a new level of adaptive audio customization. For those of you that might not know what adaptive audio is, this is something that combines 3 powerful features. Adaptive noise control intelligently blends transparency and active noise cancellation, really based on your environment. So some of these are obviously better if you're walking or if you're in a subway or louder environments, and it is actually able to be personalized, that the volume will now automatically adjust audio levels according to those preferences and your surroundings. You do have conversational awareness that lowers volume and enhances voices when you're speaking to somebody. And really, prior to iOS 18, this was a set it and forget it, where you couldn't customize it at all. Now you can really change how aggressive that ANC and adaptive audio is. So if you're looking to customize it, it is super simple, and this video is not going to take too long. If you open up a pair of AirPods and wait for it to connect actually to your device, and as you can see it does, this will now enable that new settings menu to pop up like we've seen in the past. And all you're going to want to do is hop into the app, scroll down a little bit, and you can see under audio is adaptive audio. When you click that now, you can see the 3 options you have for default, less noise, or more noise. And adaptive audio, as you can see in the description below, dynamically responds to your environment and cancels or allows external noise. You can customize adaptive audio to allow more or less noise, which is exactly what we were just talking about. Once you do, you will actually easily be able to toggle the slider towards less noise to strengthen noise cancellation, or if you allow more noise, this will allow all of your ambient noise and your surrounding noise to filter through the ANC controls. This is really handy, like I was saying, in varying environments. Say, for instance, you commute on noisy public transits, but still want to hear announcements. You might prefer the default setting so you get a great balance for things like that. If you work in an open office and need to focus while still being able to hear your desk phone, you can always slide towards more noise and you will be aware of your surroundings a little more. If you're studying like in a coffee shop or something and find small distractions pull your focus away, you can select less noise and you will have more of that ambient surrounding noise blocked out. As you can probably tell, and something that Apple's been doing recently too with these changes, they've been tying AirPod updates to iOS updates. So having said that, with 18.4 dropping soon, we should be getting a new AirPods update here in the very near future. Apple added a suite of new hearing health capabilities to test for hearing issues and allow AirPod Pros 2 to be used as hearing aids, and that is awesome as well. So one thing I do wish that would be a little more beneficial here is if you did have ANC enabled and up top here you did actually have conversation awareness active, It didn't read if you were humming a tune to a song or singing along with it, because that does drain the volume and cut it back so you can hear it, your surroundings. It thinks that you're having a conversation with somebody. Unfortunately, hopefully that gets better over time, but that's something I leave off currently. But hopefully, again, with this latest update, that might be fixed a little bit. Let me know down below in the comments, do you utilize AirPod Pros 2 or the AirPod 4s for any of this? Let me know your personal settings and preferences down below. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Peace.